Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Appreciate you joining in today. Today we're going to look at this 1990 Porsche 944 S2 Cabriolet. Absolutely gorgeous car here. One owner. Just over 30,000 miles on it. So 30,829 original miles on this beautiful 944 Porsche 1990. As we look around this car, just want to give you a little bit of information about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those vehicles are domestic, classic cars. And then the other 20% are late model, as you see, 2023 Z06, or luxury in this Cadillac CTS-V. European, as you see, another Porsche, and or some exotics and luxury vehicles as well. But back to this 944 that we are looking at today. If you are interested in this car or any other car, you can visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com and or give us a call, 941-355-1955. If you're not in the state of Florida, do not worry, as we can ship this car anywhere in the US or in the world. As last year in 2024, we did ship to 19 different US states and 7 different countries around the world. So we can certainly get you your car wherever you may be. If I'm going too fast with the camera or it is shaky here, please visit the website. We do have over 70 pictures of the vehicle on the website. It is outside in much better light, so you'll be able to see it. Car has kind of a cream tan leather interior. It is 5-speed. You see the navy blue soft top, blue exterior. Just a beautiful one owner, clean Carfax Porsche. Go ahead and open up the hood here. Four-cylinder 944. It's an absolutely beautiful car. Go ahead and show you the interior. Start it up for you. It does have a upgraded or new Sony Bluetooth stereo. It does have the Blaupunkt Equalizer that comes standard in them. As I said, 5-speed. Make sure we're neutral. You can see the odometer here, 30,830. Check. We do have the door open. That is the dinging that you do here. We will go ahead and shut the door and you'll hear that dinging going off. Engine sounds very strong. No knocking, just purrs as it should. very nice car. One owner, clean Carfax. 30,000 miles on this 1990 Porsche 944 S2 Cabriolet. If you are interested in this Porsche, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Thank you.